Why does your business need an accountant? What does an accountant do for you? An accountant will help you to do so many things. Save monies in your business, lots of things which we're going to talk about in this video. I am Harsha Campbell. I do help everyday business owners, especially those in the construction world, the contractors, the trades, helping you to say goodbye to the financial frustration that you're experiencing, overwhelm, anxiety about your finances, your financial operations, your systems. You're not making money, you're spending too much, a lot of money leaks, you can't figure it out, lack of cash flow. So I do help you to turn all that around and ultimately have businesses that are cash positive and recession proof as well. So those are just some of the things I do focus on. Why do you need an accountant? You're missing out in your business if you do not have an accountant. And I'm gonna quickly go through about 3 reasons why this is happening. Number one, you need an accountant to help you to pay less taxes, to save on that tax bill. And who doesn't want to pay less taxes, right? So when you have an accountant, you are able to develop a tax strategy, a tax plan to save on taxes. And that plan, guys, it's not taking your box of receipts at the end of the year and say, I have my tax return. That is not a plan. No. A plan is where you are strategic from the beginning of the year. You're changing it throughout the year as tax laws change, as business environment changes, and your personal situation changes as well. So your accountant will help you to save on taxes, to pay less taxes. And I'm sure everybody wants to pay less taxes, right? Number two, your accountant will help you to increase your cash flow. And we do know that the number one reason businesses fail is lack of paying attention to their financial numbers, to your cash flow, to what's happening. Your business won't survive without cash flow. So your accountant will help you to manage cash flow, increase cash flow, help you with, formulating those right budgets and all that to ultimately increase your cash flow. There are a lot of techniques to and strategies to increase cash flow, and it varies depending on your business and where your business is at, right? So it is very important to have that accountant on board to help you to do this in your business. And I'll quickly add to that there are different types of accountants. So you might find that you might need to have 3 different accountants. Their focus is different in your business, right? And I do recommend having at least two. Why is that? Because they serve to check each other. So if you have what's called a bookkeeper, they focus on just having the transactions entered, recorded. Then you have someone else who's gonna be assessing the numbers, analyzing like a CFO role, analyzing what's happening, what needs to be done differently. How can you save on this? How can you increase your profit? So they are serving as checks and balances to each other. So you're separating the functions. So it is always good to have at least 2 persons in different roles when it comes under the whole accounting umbrella for your business. And think of it too that when you think of these athletes, right? They have trainers, they have coaches who are helping them with their strategy and techniques to win those races. In the same way, you need to have an accountant or at least one, on board in your business. They're going to see things you are not seeing as a business owner. You might be too busy to see. They're also finding things that you are probably not understanding. There, for example, when it comes to certain medical terms and jargon. I'm not an expert there, so I need to be consulting with my doctor, my physician, surgeon to what does this mean, getting that understanding. I go to them with a diagnosis with what I think is wrong. They might come back with something completely different based on their tests and the system, the assessments they make of my body. So, in the same way, having that accountant on board in your business is so vital, is so important, it's so valuable, adding value to your business. It's an investment you make in your business for the long run, for the long haul, right? Number three, having an accountant on board in your business will help you to, develop the right strategy. figure out what is working in your business and what's not working. I like to call it looking uh, beyond the numbers in your business. So you might say, okay, I made this amount of money in sales, 6, 7 figures. However, was it profitable sales? What do you have left over? Did it cost you too much to make those sales? Right? So getting into strategies like this, is your profit margin reasonable? Is it too high? Too low? Not too high. Is it too low? So getting into analysis like those, your accountant is now able to say, okay, does this make sense in your business? Should this be changed? Helping with key strategies in your business. So it is important as business owners, as CEOs, entrepreneurs, you need to have an accountant in your business. And you might not even know where to start. A good place to start is at the beginning. Ensure that you have a bookkeeper who is getting your transactions recorded accurately, who is understanding what's happening in your business, because all these other strategies will build on the accuracy, will depend on the accuracy of your books. So for you to save on taxes, you need to have a good set of books. For you to be able to increase your cash flow, you need a good set of books. You need to grow and scale your business, you need a good set of books as well. So that is why it's starting there. So if you're not even too sure where to start, do you have a bookkeeper? Right? If you do have a bookkeeper, is that bookkeeper doing the right thing for your business? Then after that, it's now to review and assess what's next. You might need that other analysis for the accountant. They're going to be helping you with reviewing what's happening in your business and so much more. Then, of course, you need at the end the tax expert, the person who focuses on tax to help you focus on less taxes and of paying less taxes. And of course, sometimes the functions can be combined, but I do recommend having at least two persons so they can create that check and balance on each other. It's like having separation of functions, right? So, where are you at in your business? What is happening? It's a good time. It's always a good time to assess what is happening in your business. What are the needs? Do you have a bookkeeper? What is next? If you're not even sure what's next, reach out and we'll have a conversation to assess what's happening, what you need next in your business. Because you know, you never know. And you ultimately want to make sure your business is positioned to be recession proof. Your business is positioned to save on taxes, to increase cash flow, that your financial systems are effective, right? Effective financial systems are taking place in your business and so much more. So those are the key reasons why you need an accountant in your business, why your business needs an accountant. So I'll be signing off now, and I am Kersha Campbell, passionate about helping business owners move from those financial chaotic situations to increase cash flow, increase values in their business, just ultimately building those recession businesses.